In traditional Igboland, women were not powerless. One of their powerful groups is called the Alụtaradi, also known as Inyomdi in some parts of Igbo communities. Alụtaradi is the association of all married women in the community, still in place till today. Just like the Omada, they had the authority to settle serious problems in their husbands' villages. How did they exercise power? When a big problem happened, such as abuse of women, rape, or grave abominations such as incest, the Alụtaradi will first report it to the men and elders and give them time to solve it. If nothing was done, then the women will call an emergency meeting. In that meeting, they will fix a date when every married woman will leave her husband's home and return to her father's house. On that day, every woman will leave, taking only a suckling baby and leaving the rest of the children behind. This action is called Ịgbara arụ ọsọ, running away from abomination. What did it mean? It was a serious indictment against the men. Home became empty, cooking stopped, care stopped, peace disappeared. That pressure forced the men to act quickly and restore order. Then the women will return. Lesson: when Igbo women stood together, they are unstoppable. Unity gave them power. Silence was never their tradition.